Hello friends, welcome back to all of you on your channel that is on JEE Physics Maniac. Festive session going on. I hope that all of you are enjoying. Festive season in the terms, Durga Puja has just gone, Diwali is coming, and at the same time, JEE advanced result is also announced. So altogether, there is a mixed feeling going on. I hope that all of you are taking proper care, proper precaution, so that you are not engaged in large gathering. Still, we are yet to be completely out of the danger of the pandemic. So in the meantime, take precaution and take care. So without wasting much time, let us go into this very interesting problem, yet very easy. It's just the way you look into the problem which will help you to solve this. So the statement of the question is saying 7 pool balls are situated at rest as shown in the figure. The middle ball is suddenly somehow acquires a speed v to the right, this middle one, right? And they are saying that assume that starting with ball A, the balls spiral out an infinitesimal amount. So A is closer to the center of the ball B, and B is closer than C. So that means in this question, they are trying to reflect the fact that first this middle ball will collide with A, and after deflection it will collide with B, then with C, then with D, then with E. So this is the most important concept to understand while you are reading the question. That's why I always keep on saying the fact that you have to read the question very carefully with a lot of patience, so that in the first glance only you are able to identify what is the key concept underlying with the statement. Anyway, so they're saying, but all the collisions happen in the blink of an eye. So that means it is in a very short period of time. What will be the center ball's velocity be after it collides with all 6 balls, and they have given the all collisions are elastic collisions. So I will refer to a basic simple theory, and I will not do the derivation. Derivation part is left up to you. So derivation is your task. Correct. The thing is that if there is a ball M which is moving towards another ball at rest of same mass, then if this ball M moves in the direction with velocity Vf, and this M comes in the direction, the angle of scattering for this one is theta and for this one it is phi, then we can write Vf equal to V sin theta, and we know the summation of angles between these two, that is theta plus phi, it becomes to be 90 degree. So definitely phi equal to 90 minus theta. We are going to use these two results in this question. Let us see. So here you can see the larger setup. So first this ball is approaching in the direction with velocity v, and it collides with A first. So when it collides with A, I can assume that this ball will deflect in that direction. For that phi is equal to, we have seen this is 90 degree minus theta. Theta can be calculated very easily because of all the ball having same radius. So this is r, this is also r, so this becomes 2r. This is also radius, so this is r. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it becomes r by 2r, that is half. So theta equal to 30 degree. So if this angle is 30 degree, 90 minus 30, this angle becomes 60 degree. And by following the other postulate, that is Vf equal to V sin 30 degree. So velocity with which the center ball will approach B is V by 2. That's the idea. So again I repeat that from this principle we have studied, after colliding with A, this center ball will approach B with velocity V by 2. How that V by 2 is coming? Repeat once again. Vf equal to, we have seen V sin theta. So if I put V sin 30 degree, it is coming V by 2. Now let us forget A. Think on B. The center ball is approaching towards B with velocity V by 2. So definitely after collision, it will be deflected towards C with velocity Vf sin theta. Now Vf is V by 2 into sin theta. So V by 2 into sin 30 degree means it becomes V by 4. So V by 4 I can write V into half square. Now once it collides with C, then it will move towards D. With what velocity? V by 4 sin 30 degree. So it becomes V by 8. So that is V into half cube. Now you got the logic. So if it makes n number of collisions in such a way, so I can simply write that Vf is equal to V into half whole to the power n under this circumstance, right? So here they are asking ki what will happen after sixth collision. So simply I will put Vf equal to V into half whole to the power 6. So the answer becomes V by 64. I hope that you have enjoyed this logic, and see a very simple thing that we study while preparing or while developing the theory in center of mass momentum collision, but in what great way the simple concept can be applied in such a tricky questions, right? So if you like this video, please hit the like button, do subscribe and share, and in the I button you will get the link of the questions that I have discussed for previous JEE, I mean just freshly gone JEE advanced examination. So if you want to have a check on those questions, you can check. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep sharing.